up? Oh yeah, Food Fresh fam. So I'm back. Got to vlog today, but I had to do a lot today. And plus, my mom's not feeling the best, but she's hanging in there. She's being one of those legend women. So today, guys, I made shepherd's pie and some fresh homemade gravy and wedges for my mom and some shepherd's pie. And yeah, guys. So, anyways, I also made a salad for mom too and me. The salad right there. And yeah, guys. So also, guys, stay tuned for this Friday on my Instagram. I'm gonna be doing a dance with my buddy, actually, my brother Ram, and gonna be doing a dance for I have my camera here. I have it up. I'm gonna be doing a dance for Boy Blizz, which is Denzel. So Dimitri Dragon, oh yeah, feel fresh gang, and oh yeah, feel fresh to Ram Jacob Banger, Marcel went to Austin and Chad Tapper 2. Oh yeah, feel fresh. And by the way, Jake Paul's gonna win the fight. I know, shout out Jake Paul. Oh yeah, feel fresh, Jake Paul. I know you're gonna win the fight. And then when you get to KSI, you're gonna beat when you win the fight. When you win the fight, you're gonna beat KSI. You're gonna tell KSI. Oh yeah, feel fresh. Yeah, guys, I just got done a workout too, and yeah, so I do two new songs, one for Wham, and one for What Was this Friday. And also, I'm gonna be going on live on my Instagram. Shout out Nick Freeze too. Oh yeah, feel fresh, Nick. And yeah, guys. So after the 2 days, my mom is okay. She's been doing well. That day was not so good, but now it's like up and down. But I'm hoping that she gets back, so that way I can start seeing her like whenever my mom's gonna start cleaning the house, and she wants to stay home, clean the house, I'm just gonna let her stay home and clean the house. I'm not gonna ask her to like go to this place, If I wanna go to that place, I'm just going to wait until the opportunity is right for me to go with my mom to that place. That's what I'm gonna do. And yeah, guys. So, anyways, hit the subscribe button, like and comment, turn on post notifications. And yeah, oh yeah, guys. Yeah. Want to show you guys. This is what my brother's doing. And just on his phone. And say hi. Oh yeah, feel fresh, fam. There's. Yeah, he says hi, guys. So either way, and my mom is going to get some stuff, and then yeah, guys. So either way, oh, one day I'm hoping to do a video with Chad Tupper when it comes back from when he comes to Canada. So we can do like a funny YouTube video, like a funny challenge, like how many maybe. I don't think no one's done it yet. 100 Krispy Kreme done it. So I think me and Chad Tupper are gonna do that. How many can we eat? And yeah, it's gonna be a funny video. But that will be when Chad Tupper comes back to Canada, and that was we're gonna see each other. Oh, and also, guys. So I wanted to keep you guys with an update. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do some vlogs, TikTok, and dance moves. Because I know I've been slacking. Like I know I've been slacking on my vlogs. Oh, and here's a new update, guys. Check these legend shoes out. Ooh yeah, feel fresh. Shout out Dutty Darrow. You guys want any custom fresh shoes? Go to the legend guy right here. Dutty Darrow. He did the ooh yeah, feel fresh shoes. And I might have to get a second pair of these, just so I can wear one for outside and one for pictures. But yeah, guys, so either way, I just wanted to make this a quick vlog. It's gonna be a short vlog, but it's a good vlog. Oh, and how's you guys' day going? And hit the subscribe button, like and comment, turn on your post notifications, and oh yeah, if you're fresh, and yeah, and about it, guys. So stay tuned for this Friday, and yeah, guys. So and shout out Bongo, Wolfie, and Chad, and Ryan, and Dr. Hugs. And shout out Yuri too, in the jumper too. Yuri, Adam, Alvin, Tango, House 1 too. But oh yeah, if you fresh gang. Oh yeah, if you fresh man. By the way, guys, all I gotta say is New Year, and gonna keep going ham with the dance moves, and gonna keep going ham with the TikToks. And also, if you guys are wondering, I am on this app called Byte. So my username for Byte is Feel Fresh Josh. Feel Fresh Josh is my username on Byte. So you guys can follow me there. And follow me on my Instagram _JoshCoast_. And yeah, guys, so I also just got done a workout, and I just wanted to do this video so I can tell you guys how I've been. And yeah, guys. Oh, and I shaved my very first beard too. And when I go to Jamaica, I gotta do a Jamaica vlog too. Ooh, can't wait. That's gonna be probably the most legend vlog ever. Like, what I'm gonna do is I'm not going to record the one time, and then I'm gonna record every day. Like just record every legend moment. My buddy is gonna record for me, and yeah. Anyways, yeah, guys. So hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and also, if you're new here, how's your day going? And welcome to Ouya Fresh Spam. And yeah, guys. And I also got a new phone, but I gotta bring it back to Apple and see what's the problem with the screen, if it's the screen protector that's covering the phone or if it's the under the screen. But after all, it's a sick phone. But oh yeah, if you fresh gang. Alright, guys, I'm gonna head out, gonna have a shower, and then gonna go live on Instagram and feel fresh. Oh, and I might play some Fortnite too in Call of Duty. Oh yeah, feel fresh. Alright, guys. Peace out, guys. Thank you for watching. And stay tuned for next week. I don't know what I'm cooking next week, but yeah. Alright, peace out, guys. Colder than an iced cappuccino. Oh yeah. And